Yo, in this video, I'll walk you through how exactly you can make money online by posting content that is already out there on the internet. I've tried everything from cryptos to YouTube automation and then investing in stocks, but this is by far the easiest way to make money online. And the wild part, no one's really talking about it because everyone who is printing cash is trying to gatekeep. But today, in this video, I'm about to blow it wide open and spill everything. I'm talking people making 20, 30, or even $40,000 every single month just by reposting content that's already floating around the internet. Now, make sure to watch this video till the very end, and I guarantee that you can also make money with this Whop thing. Alright, so without further ado, let's jump right in. Okay, first things first, head over to whop.com or just click the link down below in the description and it will take you here on this page. Next, here you will see Make Money app, and we need to sign up first. So just go ahead and click sign up. Now, either you can continue with your email, Discord, Google, Ethereum, Twitter, or Apple. So I'm going to go via Google. And once you're done creating an account, then you're going to choose your name. So I'll just call myself Shats Whites. I've chosen my username as well. And then you need to select a profile picture, which doesn't really matter. And yeah, this is where the things get really exciting. This is where you'll join your first Whop. Now, these Whops are actually like squads or groups, I'd say, where you start stacking some serious cash. So to kick things off, I'd say just join Whop clips and use this effectively. These are perfect like starter packs. And I'm going to walk you through a strategy to find the most profitable Whops and campaigns out there so that you know where the money is flowing. Now, you then click next, and this will take you here on the dashboard. And you'll see there's a ton happening on this screen. So don't get confused, simply head over to the Discover tab, the third button from the left side panel. You'll see live stream right here. So once you scroll past the live stream, you'll land on the content reward section right here. And this is where the magic happens. Basically, what content rewards does is it pays you by posting content on YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, TikTok, or even on X. So you get paid to publish content on all those different platforms. So you will basically get paid for 1,000 views your videos pull it. Now, if you're sitting there like, bro, I don't even know what to post. If you haven't got any inspiration, any idea of what you should make, then just hit the submission section right here. And this is where you will find all the top performing videos. This actually shows you the videos that have earned the most money possible. From here, you can see which videos and which campaigns are paying the people the most money and what style of videos people are earning the most money on. So this video right here have earned over $3,000 and I watched it for you. So it's just a simple edit where he used an animation from somewhere and put some text on it. And this basically means that this is a video which people send to their friends, to their families, to people who, take it as a joke, as fun. And this spreads the video, leading to get even more and more views. So that's a perfect way, a perfect method that you could use to make a lot of money, just like this guy is doing right here. Okay. So what you want to do is you want to first click any of the videos, then join the campaign. Now, before doing anything, first we need to look at the rules of the campaign. So head over to the search bar right here and switch over to content reward. Now, read all the requirements, and if we break any of the rules, we're not going to earn any money. So keep that in mind. Okay, so here we have got clips can make the example look bad, editing, captions, titles, etc. Of course, like why would a person paying you to make a video that makes him look bad or doesn't make any sense? That's quite obvious, right? Clips, views, engagement can be bought. So this is very important. You cannot fake it, else your account will be bad. And then the video must be 8 seconds minimum. So your video should be at least 8 seconds long. If not at least 8 seconds, you're not going to get paid. So this is why it's very, very important to, read the rules. Videos can be stolen from other clippers and they value quality the most. So don't do some really bad editing. It still needs to be good quality, just like here in the example. So what you want to do is you first publish your video. You take 5 to 10 minutes to edit a nice little video. Then you want to go and press submit. And once you publish it on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels, then you link the video and then upload the original video that you published on the platform. And it's really that simple. Now, there's one more thing right here. If you don't know how to edit like these, you can also hire someone to edit for you for like 5 to 10 bucks. So, here's how you can actually do that. So just go over to upwork.com and sign up for a client account. Simply post a job and you'll be then getting proposals from different editors who have an expertise in this editing thing. Then you can hire someone, and for just 5 to 10 bucks, you can create these videos and make a lot more money. And once you submit a video, what Whop then does, Whop then detects every single time your video gets a view and automatically pays you. So after you have published a video and linked it, within an hour, you're getting paid consistently. And it's amazing. This is like, I don't really understand why there and more people speaking about this. And these Whops are paying so much money. Like, look, if you're going to sort by the highest CPM, what do you see? There's $50 for 1,000 views, $25, $7, $20, $10. That's like $10,000 per million views. This is $50,000 per million views. It's absolutely ridiculous. And also these, it's not like, only on YouTube, which is where it's harder to get views because the views are longer form and higher quality. This is on platforms like TikTok and Instagram Reels, where people, it's super easy to get 10 or even 20,000 views in the first hour. So there's so much money to be made. And that's why I'm doing this video, because I want you guys to make money. And all I just need in return is just give this video a big thumbs up. That's all. So that's a very short summary on how you can make money by just sitting a few hours on your computer. And it's really that simple. You can make a lot of money by just posting content that's already out there on the internet. Alright, so if you guys found this video helpful, give this a big thumbs up and I'll see you in the next. Thanks.